I love my blow dryer because it's galaxy themed. I will post the link for this blow dryer down below, but I don't have one of those fancy blow dryers that most YouTubers have, but mine does have a really cool pattern and print, but it's a regular blow dryer.
Came a long way from nothing. Left my mama crib so sudden. Up then left my job. Had to show niggas I ain't bluffing. Left my girl in Atlanta. Shawty knew I'm by my bands, y'all. Left the crib and went to New York. Finna change my life, I need more. I know how I've been coming up a while. I done fucked up and learned now. I got it now. Look, coming up ain't easy. I've been up since 3.
Alright, so before I start blow drying this section first, I'm going to use a hair protectant serum. And I'm just going to put a nice little amount through this section. That way it's not just my bare naked hair with no products in it at all. I do want to have some sort of heat protectant, especially when I use a blow dryer or flat iron. And then I'm also going to take this heat tamer, and it protects against heat damage, and it's a leave-in spray. So I will link all these products below so you guys know what I'm using. So what I'm doing first is I am brushing out all the kinks, and then I'm going through and brushing it while I blow dry it, because this blow dryer did not come with one of those attachable comb pieces, so I have to use a regular paddle brush and put the blow dryer on high heat. So I'm just going to do a gentle brush. You don't want to, you know, rip your hair out, but you do want to work through the kinks. So use a little bit of force, but don't damage your hair.
Try to show niggas I ain't bluffing. Left my girl in Atlanta. Shawty knew I'm by my bands, y'all. Left the crib and went to New York. Finna change my life, to need more. I know I've been coming up a while. I done fucked up and learned now. I've been up since 3, yeah. Coming up to see. I'ma need your feeling, yeah. Try to know I'm on the scene. I wanna run it up. I need bands on my. Watch your flex for the month. Coolin' with my jeweler, yeah. Coolin' with my jeweler, yeah. Freshest nigga in the club. Every time I'm pulling up, they can't handle you, yeah. I wanna run it up. I need bands on my. Watch your flex for the month. Coolin' with my jeweler, yeah. Coolin' with my jeweler, yeah. Freshest nigga in the club. Every time I'm pulling up, they can't handle you, yeah. Came a long way from nothing. Left my mama crib so sudden. Up then left my job. Had to show niggas I ain't bluffing. Left Left my girl in Atlanta. Shawty knowin' about my bands, yeah. Left the crib and went to New York. Finna change my life, I need more. I know how I've been coming up a while. I done fucked up and learned now. I got it now. Look, coming up ain't easy. I've been up since 3, yeah. Coming up to see. I'ma need your feeling, yeah. Try to know I'm on the scene. I wanna run it up. I need bands on my. Watch your flex for the month. Coolin' with my jeweler, yeah. Coolin' with my jeweler, yeah. Freshest nigga in the club. Every time I'm pulling up, it can handle ya, yeah. I wanna run it up. I need bands on my. Watch your flex for the month. Coolin' with my jeweler, yeah. Coolin' with my jeweler, yeah. Freshest nigga in the club. Every time I'm pulling up, it can handle ya, yeah. Came a long way from nothing. Left my mama crib so sudden. Up then left my job. Had to show niggas I ain't bluffing. Left my girl in Atlanta. Shawty knowin' about my bands, yeah. Left the crib and went to New York. Finna change my life, I need more. I know how I've been coming up a while. I done fucked up and learned now. I've been up since 3, yeah. Coming up to see. I'ma need your feeling, yeah. Try to know I'm on the scene. I wanna run it up.
Alright guys, so I have blow dried all my hair. It's been a while since I've seen my hair in this state. It is pretty long.
Freshest nigga